Hey, thanks for joining me. Today I'm sharing with you my thoughts about these Powerbeats 3 wireless Bluetooth headphones. So I've been using them for a few weeks and I do quite like them. They retail for about $100, but you know, the prices are always changing and stuff online. But that's about what they're going for usually. They got really good sound quality. That's the thing everybody always wants to know is what the sound's like. I've been really happy with it so far. Good bass, good treble, sounds great to me. Let's see, a couple features to note. It's got these like over-the-ear clip things that you just kind of wrap around your ear and it holds it in place, and you can bounce around and everything, and they don't fall out. This product also comes with a few different sizes of these earbuds, so that if your ear holes are larger or smaller, you can accommodate it. And it also comes with this little rubber case as well, and it comes with a USB cable a micro USB cable for charging, which I didn't bring with me, obviously. Few features to note is that, for one, this like over the ear piece, it actually has like a flexible wire inside this part right here, so you can kind of adjust it to, you know, fit the shape of your head. When I first had them, when I first got them, I didn't realize that, and one of them was like kind of bent outward. I was like, why doesn't it fit my head? And then it suddenly dawned on me that it was actually flexible. And now they fit great. Anyway, next feature to note. So it's got a little tiny light right here, which you probably can't see. When it's on, it turns white, and it also shows you kind of, there's like a flashing pattern if you're pairing it with your phone. When you turn the thing on, it makes like a little sound that lets you know it's going on, and when you turn it off, it makes another sound that lets you know that it's turning off. It's got one button right over here on the top of that, next to that light. And that's how you turn it on and off, and that's how you pair it. And then it has, you know, this little thing right here on the cord with a little microphone for speaking into when you're using it for your phone. And it has one button right here, a little toggle button that has volume control up or down. You can also change the tracks, and you can also answer and hang up on phone calls with this. And on the bottom side of this earpiece is that little micro USB port for charging it. It takes about an hour to charge them from empty to full. And when it's full, that light, when the battery is like low or dead, when you put it on the charger, it shows up as red. And then when it's fully charged, it'll turn white. So yeah, that's good. Now, a couple things that I'm not so stoked about with these headphones. For one is, it didn't, you know, I've had another pair of headphones, you might have seen the video, where it's got like a magnet on the, you know, the ends of these, so that when you're not wearing them, they actually magnetize together. But these ones don't have that, and I wish they did. And the other thing that these things didn't come with, which I added from my other pair of headphones, is these little alligator clips. Let's see. There it is. So that I can actually just attach it to my shirt if I'm not wearing it, or if I only want to wear one, and then the other one's not just flying around and whatever. And that is, I think, pretty much it. Been pretty happy with them so far. Gonna keep testing them. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.